Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Microsoft Excel using shortcut keys. A quick way to launch Excel is by pressing the Windows key and then typing Excel into the search bar. Once Excel appears in the results, simply press Enter. This method is fast and efficient, allowing you to access the program without navigating through menus. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to speed up their workflow. To create a desktop shortcut, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. From the context menu, select New, then click on Shortcut. In the pop-up window, you will need to browse to the location of your Excel application file, usually found in Program Files. This creates an icon you can double-click to open Excel instantly. Once you have a desktop shortcut, you can assign a custom keyboard combination. Right-click the Excel shortcut icon and choose Properties. In the Shortcut tab, find the Shortcut Key field. Click inside this field and press your desired key combination, such as Ctrl plus Alt plus E. Click Apply and OK to save your new custom shortcut. For even faster access, you can pin Excel to your taskbar or Start menu. Simply right-click on the Excel application or its shortcut. From the menu, select Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start. This allows you to launch Excel with just one click from your taskbar or find it easily in your Start menu. Remember to check the description below for the link to smart speaker deals and other great offers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.